all about reduction. So the very important myth often you will get confused the difference between the light and the dark reaction. So please try to understand this matrix is not going to constitute the pigments. Yes, the matrix is not having the pigments. Pigments are absent in the matrix. If the pigments are absent in the matrix, it has no ability to trap the light energy. That's why the light reaction in the matrix is going to be absent. Yes, the light reaction is not going to take place in the matrix because the chlorophyll, carotene, chlorophyll A, B, all these photosynthetic pigments are going to be absent. So now it is not site for the light reaction, it is the site for what? Dark reaction. Site for the dark reaction is matrix because there are enzymes which involves in the reduction reaction, right? Suppose if people ask you, please tell me what are the structures present inside the matrix. The structures present inside the matrix are: one, it is circular double stranded DNA. Yes, inside the matrix there is presence of circular double stranded DNA. Two, the very important thing, there is presence of RNA. The three types of RNA: messenger RNA, transverse RNA, and rRNA is present, right? And third point, the ribosomal RNA. Yes, rRNA means ribosomal RNA. With the help of some of the proteins, so together they're going to manufacture, yes, together they're going to manufacture 70S type of ribosomes. Yes, 70S type of ribosomes are present. You know very well. Another important question. So there are a lot of enzymes are there. One abundant enzyme which involves in the C3 pathway is Rubisco. After that, the Rubisco is participating in the glucose synthesis, and excess amount of glucose is going to be stored in the form of starch. So to store the starch, there is presence of starch granules. Can you please tell me what are the things that are present inside the matrix? There is circular double-stranded DNA. So this circular double-stranded DNA gives you RNA of three types. One is messenger RNA, transverse RNA, and rRNA. And this rRNA is going to so associated with some of the proteins to give you 70S ribosome. It's not 80S ribosomes. I said that the matrix is constituting the enzymes participating in carbohydrate synthesis and fat synthesis. But the very important abundant enzyme present in the matrix is Rubisco. This Rubisco is going to involve in C3 pathway or Calvin cycle for the synthesis of glucose, and excess amount of glucose is going to be stored in the form of carbohydrate, and the carbohydrate is starch. So starch is going to be stored in the form of starch granule. Can you see here? I'll tell you the very important point, the last point. This messenger RNA, transverse RNA, rRNA is involved together for a process called translation for the synthesis of proteins. So it's majority of